Guys, we have about 6 Sapphire installed in Europe, that I can find online, because right now Bionano Genomics, they cannot share any information with us about the Sapphire installation. So according to my research, we have about 6 Sapphire installed so far in Europe. Okay, I don't know about America, I don't know about Asia, but I have been able to find about 6 Sapphires installed in Europe. And I want to, talk about the lady that is working for Bionano Genomics, the lady that is responsible for Europe, the lady that is, responsible for the sales of, the adoption of the Sapphire device in Europe. So I'm going to start with this link. You guys can easily find this information on my Bionano Genomics Bible. I just added this link, second quarter adoption of the Sapphire device. You can find each link takes you to a tweet where this lady, okay, this first one is from Joe Butler. These are one of the some of the sapphires that have been installed in Europe so far. This one was shared by Joe Butler. Joe Butler is working for Bionano Genomics, the structural variation company. You can see the users of the device, posting next to it. I don't know what device is this, but this for sure is a sequencing device. So you guys can see Bionano Genomics Sapphire right here. So that is the first one. And then so this one was installed in Munich in Germany. Okay, this is installed in Germany. So let's take a look at the second one. I'm trying to make this as big as possible, but my computer is messing up. So this is the second one installed. We saw this tweet yesterday, about 18 hours ago. It is installed in Athens in Greece. Okay, it is installed in Greece. You guys can see the ladies posting next to it. And of course, this is Illumina MySec, and this is Illumina 500. Illumina and Bionano Genomics, somehow they seems to be working together strategically. We have seen this from Praxis Genomics, okay, because Praxis Genomics is using only Illumina and Bionano Genomics Saphyr. So Illumina and Bionano, they keep working together strategically. You guys can see structural variations, on the genomes of somebody, animal, plant, or something, being analyzed by the Sapphire device. Look at the beautiful color, the beautiful blue color. So these ladies and this gentleman, they are posing, showing off their baby. Sapphire device is now becoming more or less a celebrity product or item that whenever people have access to it, they post next to it, just like a Tesla car. So Illumina and Bionano Genomics, they continue to work strategically together. And the good news is, if we have Sapphire device installed in every laboratory out there that Illumina is also installed in, Illumina they have more than 10,000 devices installed worldwide. Okay, if we have one Sapphire in each laboratory that Illumina is also installed in, that is going to be a very, very bullish catalyst for Bionano Genomics, because if Illumina is available in more than 10,000 laboratories worldwide, and Sapphire is able to make its way into each laboratory, we are talking about 10,000 Sapphires being installed worldwide, and we are talking about billions of US dollars in total revenue. Okay, so this is a very, very good news. Illumina and Bionano Genomics, they are continuing to work together strategically. There is a device behind this man, but I can't really tell what kind of device it is. So let's go to the third page. Let's go to the third page. So this is the lady I have been talking about that is representing Bionano Genomics in Europe. She is responsible. She is the business manager and regional manager for Bionano Genomics. Okay, I'm going to show you guys her LinkedIn in a minute, because most people are worried if this is truly Bionano Genomics Sapphire being installed worldwide, or if this is just some kind of fake news. So you guys can see right here we have the Sapphire device being installed. In which country is this? In Cyprus. So this one is in Cyprus. So all these devices are installed in the second quarter. They are not from first quarter. Immediately these lab clinicians receive their Sapphire delivery, immediately it's installed. What they do next is they post next to it. This is becoming a trend on Twitter. Okay, they are posting next to the Sapphire device, showing off their new baby. So these ladies and this gentleman, they are in Cyprus, and they are right now analyzing genomes using the Saphyr device. So Cyprus at the Karaiskakio Foundation. So this is the Cyprus Bone Marrow Donor Registry with more than 170,000 registered bone marrow volunteer donors. Oh my God. So this is a very large, foundation in Cyprus. Okay. This is a very large one. So they now have a Saphyr device installed. So I'm going to leave this and then we will go to the fourth one. I think the fourth one. So this is the fourth one, guys. This one is from let me make it bigger. So this one is outstanding deployed with 5 GB genome assembly. This laboratory is using Pacbio i5 plus optical genome mapping. This is what they are using. They are using Pacbio and they are using Bionano Genomics. In my opinion, whenever all these laboratories want to analyze genome of plants, they somehow prefer using Pacbio and Bionano Genomics. But whenever they want to, analyze human genomes, they are using Illumina and Bionano Genomics. So I think there is a trend, guys. I think there is a trend. Whenever you want to analyze plants, Pacbio, Bngo, analyze humans, Illumina and Bngo. So they are trying to tell us something. So this is the Saphyr device in action. You guys can easily see the genomes being analyzed, and yeah, I think that is all about this one. So now I have showed you guys about 5 of them. I think I already showed this fourth one. I don't think so. Fourth one. Okay, I haven't. So this is the fourth one. This is Bari in Italy. You guys can see these ladies and the gentlemen, posing next to the Saphyr device. Like I already told you guys, most of them now love posing next to the Saphyr device because this is a big deal. One Saphyr cost about 150,000 US dollars, guys. So I mean, it is normal for them to post next to it. So you can easily see the Saphyr in action, analyzing genome of I believe this is possibly human genome. I can't really find a link to this. Another Bionano Genomics Saphyr is ready to make new discoveries in the hand of fantastic team. Okay, this is at the University of Bari in Italy. Benvenuti. This is at University of Bari. Now let's talk about this lady representing Bionano Genomics in Europe. Let's talk about her. Okay, I'm going to copy her name and I'm going to put her in Google search. Let's take a look at our LinkedIn profile and see what she is up to. No, sorry guys, this this completely, this is not the person I want to check out. This is not the person. Esther, this is wrong. This is wrong, guys. I need to Easter. Why is Google LinkedIn? Why is Google changing this name for me, guys? Why is Google changing the name? I'm just gonna copy and paste it. Okay, I will just copy and paste it so that, because I already checked our profile on LinkedIn. Easter customer on board. Not this one. No. Bionano. Let me put Bionano there. Bionano. Maybe we're going to get somewhere closer. Okay. Bionano. Okay, so we found her. So this is the her name is, I think this is Esther. Okay, I think this is Esther, just written in a different form. Her name is Esther Tarkast. So she's the regional business manager, Benelux and Southern Europe at Bionano Genomics Inc. For those of you that have no idea what Benelux is, I think Benelux is a country. I googled that yesterday. It happens to be between Netherlands, between France, between Holland. So she is a regional business manager for Bionano Genomics in Southern Europe. And anytime you guys see the adoption of Saphyr device in Europe, in Southern Europe, for example, this lady is surely responsible for it. You can see she's connected with Anna Mamushka. She is one of the board members of Bionano Genomics, and this gentleman Yang Zhang is also an employee at Bionano Genomics. So She has experience. She started to work with Bionano Genomics since September 2018 as the regional business manager of in France and Benelux. Then she got promoted to regional business manager in Benelux and Southern Europe. Okay, so she has been working for Bngo for 2 years, 10 months, almost 3 years now. You guys can see her history with Genomics Vision, marketing manager, and so on. She's a postdoctorate, fellow of Insan blah 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 in Paris. So yeah, that's all I want to share with you guys in this video. Bionano Genomics Saphyr is being adopted worldwide, especially in Europe, and this is a confirmation that we are seeing a lot of adoption in Europe. Okay, so that's all I want to share with you guys in this video. Have a wonderful day, guys. Bye bye.